watch number 327, effective until 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Livingston, McHenry, and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northern Island, Illinois, Northern Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, and Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid Lake, Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, and 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid Lake and nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to know weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. At 2 p.m. at Chicago O'Hare, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 86 degrees. The dew point was 62, and the relative humidity was 44%. The heat index was 86. The wind was south at 23 miles an hour, gusting to 29. The pressure was 29.70 inches and falling. Elsewhere around the region, it was 84 at Chicago's lakefront. It was sunny with a temperature of 78 at Waukegan and 86 at Burlington, Wisconsin. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 86 at West Chicago, 82 at Chicago.